than 8 million restaurant employees have been laid off or furloughed since the beginning of March because of the coronavirus pandemic. A tough situation, no doubt, for a lot of workers. And as for restaurants that remain open, extra health guidelines were put in place. Here's one California restaurant owner on how he has checked with employees to make sure they were even comfortable still working during this public health crisis.
We had to ask them whether they were okay with keep coming to work. You have to make sure that every single one is aware of the risks, that every single one feels that there's somebody supporting them, that we're a team.
And even when more and more restaurants start to open back up, what exactly is that going to look like for a lot of these restaurant owners? Will patrons want to eat in their establishments as much as they did before? Will they hire back as many workers? How long will that take? So there's so many unknown factors right now that will eventually play a role in the bottom line for these businesses. Aaron?
Yeah, a lot of questions. If you have them now, call them up. They'll deliver. Christina, thank you. Martha?
Well, Eric, 4.4 million Americans sought unemployment benefits last week, bringing the staggering total to 26.5 million jobs lost over the past 5 weeks as the country continues to see a